Now, there's a bit of a trick I want to share with you guys when it comes to cleaning out really messy pots, pans, bowls, whatever, when you're on the trail and you don't have too much water. So, firstly, just pop a little bit of water in there. Give it a good little mix around. Get rid of any of the loose stuff. That's easy to get rid of. And then pop a little bit more water in. And this is the handy little tip. Carry baby wipes. So I use these natural bamboo baby wipes. I've had them for a while, so it actually works out well because they've lost all their moisture, so they're a little bit lighter. But as soon as you put a little bit of water in there, they pretty much soak up the water, and it just becomes really, really easy to scrub out and get rid of any kind of messy pots or pans. And because they're all like natural and bamboo and stuff, I just chuck it in the fire afterwards and it just burns. But I know the light's getting a little bit low, so I don't know if you can see that, but that's nice and spotless and clean. So really quick, easy, almost spotless, really quick, easy way to clean any dirty pots and pans. Just bring some baby wipes. It saves a lot of water, having to like scrub them out and use heaps of water. You just literally need a few little bits. And yeah, that's it for the pot.